friends, Running Kimono. So today's video, I want to address something I'm seeing in the comments all the time of shoppers not getting these digital boosters. And we're going to just unpack this bite by bite. But if your store card hasn't been receiving this, we're just going to talk about a couple little different ways that maybe we can start getting it to appear on your store card. So what this is the one that showed up this morning. It either shows up Thursday morning, Friday morning, sometimes even Saturday. The time is unpredictable, and which store cards get it is also a lottery. I have one store card I use quite a bit, and this is the one that I got, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Last week I had $10 when I spend $50, so this is the better of the two. It's of a one-time use, and it's valid that week only, and it's somewhat a lottery when you receive them. What I have noticed is the more you shop and do the weekly deals, like if you're a faithful shopper doing like such as the Tresemme, the Dove deal this week, chances are this will appear on your store card, one of these boosters. These higher ones are somewhat a little bit more difficult to do. My husband's store card was getting like 15 back when you spend 60 or 65, like a really big basket. So that one I just took a pass on the last 2 weeks. And then this week I haven't done anything on that store card either. I didn't receive anything. So I think the more that you're not doing any of the weekly deals or these bigger basket ones, you just won't receive it. So such as my husband's store card, there's nothing on there, right? Nothing. So on Sunday morning, I can go to the store, punch in the phone number, or scan the store card off your phone or whatever you want to do, and buy something really small like a 33-cent caramel, and then to see, hey, will this thing print or not? Because there's a digital and a paper booster, and chances are I usually get this guy to print on my husband's store card. It doesn't show up digitally, but I always get this printable. And yes, you can stack a digital and a paper booster, and it works. At least for me, it does, I swear. But this is typically what happens is that if I get nothing on hubby's store card, if I go and buy something a little small, typically this will print. The machine has to be on it. It has to have paper for this thing to print as well. I know some stores it's just a bit of a mess, but if your store is working at full capacity with a really good staff, hopefully it'll print and they will be like, here you go, Mrs. Smith. But this is typically how I get a booster to go one way or the other, because you kind of need these sort of boosters, because Walgreens is a more expensive store, I won't deny it, but you need these to really boost up your basket and to get these money makers going. So if you're seeing no digitals, Sunday morning when you get to the store, buy a little candy, and if this guy prints out, you're in business. And yes, you'll only be able to use one booster, but it's better than nothing. What I will recommend every week is to do a deal of the week, such as the Dove, such as the Tresemme, such as the Scott, whatever they cite as the deal of the week. If you're doing one of them faithfully, hopefully fingers and toes crossed, that digital booster will show up for you the Thursday or Friday following for the next week. That's what I've noticed. On my husband's card, I really haven't done anything on it in 2 weeks. I've just been using my main card. I've been kind of lazy. And sure enough, this week they removed the booster. I don't have a booster for next week, but I'm sure that a paper something will print out for me. But like the Dove deal this week, even without a booster to pay $1.50 per body wash or $1 per Tresemme, I'll leave this video linked at the very end if you wish to watch it. Both of these are very solid deals, and it's cheaper than even Walmart, so it's really good. A lot of you will probably go to customer service and do the chat or call the 1-800 number. And I'll let you guys know, whenever you have a digital coupon missing or whatever, you get this bot, and they always have a connective issue where they're like, sorry, I'll go look for somebody. And then they'll say, oh, sorry, we can't find anybody for you. So it's somewhat frustrating. I've been getting the same error message for like weeks, probably a month now. So you have to call that 1-800 number to get in touch with a customer service rep. Just Google it. Very easy to find. Or you can find it through the app. But it's somewhat frustrating that they will not give you a specific answer. Some customer service reps are saying, you know, there are fewer boosters that are being released right now, but it seems like those paper ones print no matter what you scan first thing on Sunday morning, at least from my experience. So I know it's super uber frustrating that a lot of you want to participate in these deals, and some of us get the booster, some don't. Even I've noticed if you find a booster, like a paper booster in a shopping cart, like a customer left it or they left it on the counter, Any one you find, even if you find it on the ground, you can still use it on your store card because it's not per the store card. It works on anyone's card. So, sometimes cashiers might have extra ones. You can always ask, smile a little bit, and you might be surprised. I hope this video was somewhat helpful, guys. I just know that a lot of you are super uber frustrating. At the very least, deals like the Dove or the Tresemme this week, I would absolutely pounce on. But just take it one day at a time. It's happening to a lot of us, even me. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.